Hi everyone, it's Kristin here. Today it's just me and we're going to do another traveling funnel core. Yay! Okay, so I am doing two colors here. Bottom is a darker navy blue and then the top part I decided on doing just white. This paint has Floetrol and water in it. Helps it spread out and be nice and flowing. Always want to make sure I get the edges at least on the base coat. When we do the top part, it doesn't matter so much. It looks nice to just drip off, but beginning part, definitely make sure the edges are done. Now I'm ready to get my funnel out, and I picked 5 colors: light blue, Aztec bronze, white, navy, and purple. I learned that you want the colors that you like best together. You place in order that they go beside each other. And here I'm just letting it flow across the page, or across the canvas I should say. I really like how the Aztec gold comes through the cells here. I'm always leery of those kind of colors together, but it really pops. And you'll see it a little later on once it comes out a little bit more. Next I'm going to take a knife and I'm going to just make some swishes, kind of move the paint around. You can see some of the cells even pop up in the swirls as well. I really like the part on the left side that you can see right now, just with the Aztec gold coming through. Later on when it dries shiny compared to the rest of the paint, and it just kind of adds another texture to the painting. And then I am just blowing out some of the sections just to kind of give it a flare at the top especially. Here I wanted to get a little bit darker colors in that section with the lighter blue. Still working on my blowing technique, but it's coming a little better. Learning how to make it go the direction I want it to. And then there's always the question of how many extra things you do on the painting before you stop. But there it is, the final product. I really like these colors together, the purple and the light blue, but then with that Aztec gold it just kind of pops. And lots of nice cells. There we go. I really like it.